Hi, my name is Prajita. I recently finished my doctorate at IIM Ahmedabad, and when I first came to campus on 2019 for my interviews, my access to the library and the looking at the library services and the environment was one of the major decision making factors for me joining the program in the first place. And what I realized after joining the program is that the librarians and the staff are extremely supportive. They really take their job at enabling PhD students very seriously. I've never had a situation where I've needed access to a paper and I've not had access to that paper. They've always found a way to get me access, and that's a very big important thing when it comes to the momentum of the PhD, because you need to have the read a research paper, and the moment you kind of lose that momentum, it starts causing problems. Apart from that, when it comes to databases, there is no dearth of databases. We have access to practically everything under the sun, and there were many instances where I needed to collate certain data, and I reached out to the reference section and they were very prompt. There were times where I had to get on a WhatsApp call and they were very supportive. They got me data very quickly, and that kind of made sure that my momentum was kept and I got more work done. I still fondly remember the third floor carrels. They were my go-to place for reading and thinking about things, and it was a very silent, safe space for me. And I don't think that, I've been to other places. I don't think the culture and the environment, the support that is there in this library is there in any other library. So I feel like any student that is joining needs to really take this resource very seriously. They need to be aware of the journals that are relevant to them and kind of start keeping track of the papers that are relevant to them, and the library has access to practically everything. Apart from that, knowing the databases that are there in your arsenal is very important, because when you come across a research problem, you need to know whether that is feasible. And you will not know that whether it's feasible or not unless you go into a database, and the library kind of has access to so much. It's very difficult to keep track of it all, and the only person you can talk to are the staff at the library. So they're very friendly. You should reach out to them and you should get a better understanding of all the access that you have in order to move through projects quickly and make things happen. So the library conducts this amazing thing, which is like a book fair where multiple vendors come and showcase all the books that they have. I think it was the first experience that I had. I was like a kid in a candy shop. I was pointing at books and kind of ordering them, and it felt like a great privilege to be able to do that, to want a book and actually get it. Because these books are very expensive. They are hardly ever published in large quantities, and they're all research collations. So apart from that, there is also this feature called as a purchase suggestion. So anytime I've ever needed a book, and some of these books are very expensive, so I don't think I can afford them myself, but I was able to ask the library to get it for me, and they were very prompt, and I usually had it in 2 weeks. So this is something that I really appreciate, that the library is enabling access to so many resources. So I think one thing I would really miss is the friendliness of the staff, and the fact that I could reach out to people and I knew that I was going to get an answer quickly. Apart from that, the library has been my home for so many years, so I'll be missing certain nooks and corners in the library where I'd come to work consistently. And I have a lot of memories associated with almost each and every floor of this library. The math sections at the ground floor was one of my favorite places to browse. When I was feeling a little tired, I'd go through all the different kinds of math books, thinking one day maybe I'll start doing better maths. Yeah.